y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together. We're back for more fun.
Okay, so this is called the Pink-a-Colada or Pink-a-Colada, Pink-a-Colada. What? Anyway, so it should be good. It should be better than the last one. That's my hope.
The only colada I know is a peanut colada. So
I know.
This is pink.
This is pink. It's pink because the cranberry juice is obviously gonna create a pink coloration. And normally I be going in on cranberry juice about how it's basic and shit, but basic bitches. But it has we have other components in this recipe that I think are going to
Elevate it.
Yes. So let's run through the ingredients.
Yes, ma'am.
And then let's get started.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have our rum, whatever rum you want to use.
We like Malibu.
It's a go-to. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Pineapple juice.
Mm-hmm.
We have pineapple chunks for garnish.
Mm-hmm.
Cranberry juice, as I mentioned before, and coconut water.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and start off by just adding a few coconut chunks to our glass.
Did you just say coconut chunk? It's fine. This is the third.
Pineapple chunks.
I'm not
Pineapple.
judging you whatsoever.
Okay, wow. Okay, so 3 cups of our cranberry juice. So, don't judge us. We had what we had, okay? So we got...
Yeah, because ain't nobody going to drink cranberry juice like
No,
that.
like, real talk. Like, you're not over here guzzling cranberry juice. So, like, let's be real. Oh, yeah, that was almost 3 right there.
Yeah, a little bit off, but probably like half.
All right. We have our little pitcher here. I hope this is big. You know, we always have, no, we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine, right? You think we're gonna be fine? I think we'll be all right. Let's
We don't add no ice to it.
Yeah, that's why I did the ice in the glasses, because that was gonna be a problem.
No dilution here, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, none of that. Okay, 2 cups of coconut water.
It looks so pure.
Brittany got the coconut water from Amazon. That's fine.
Speaking of Amazon, listen, how many of y'all order from Fresh? It's so convenient.
But for the coconut water drinkers, you know which one is the better one. But that's all right.
I'm just learning. Yeah.
Oh God, I don't know.
We'll make it.
But we still have to do the rum. We ain't gonna make it. Pause, because we need to find a different vessel. This
You
ain't
sure?
gonna make. Yeah, think about it. We have to add 2 cups of rum.
Okay, and how many cups of pineapple juice?
1.5. We ain't gonna make it. Hold up. You want to test it out?
I want to see.
She wants to test it
We
out.
might be at the rim.
You guys.
Some of y'all know when you
I
get
feel
to the
like-
rim, it be just right. No,
What
all
are you
right.
talking?
I don't know. I've never. I'm not getting into it.
Don't even set yourself up,
No.
because they gonna come for you in the comments, girl. They gonna come for you. We ain't gonna make it. Cause where the pineapple juice gonna go?
Listen, splash of it. All right. I mean, we need the other picture if we want, but I feel like it's gonna be the same thing.
Go ahead. I don't know what to do.
What is this?
So it is 1.5 cups. It's supposed to be. All right, let's see what we get. Does this remind you of an episode? Remember when we were doing the mimosas? And Ebony was like, Amber.
Amber. Just pour it in the cup. Wait, I thought you was pouring it in the cup first.
Yeah, but if I, okay, all right. All right. So 1.5 cups of pineapple juice is right there. That's not gonna make that. It's not, I mean, you don't even have to be a mathematician. We should lay down some cranberry. Go ahead.
Look at that going straight down.
That's where I can get before it becomes a problem.
Okay, well, what are you gonna do? Game time.
Oh my gosh. Well, I guess we're gonna take a minute and then come back with the bigger vessel because this not gonna work.
Or what we can do is just top our
glasses off with the pineapple juice.
fair. This is juice. We already got the liquor in it.
All right. So listen, make sure your vessel is enough.
You see what happens when you do liquor math? You overpour.
I can't even look. I'm over here.
You can put that. You can put the damn thing in there.
No, I can't.
Stop being scared.
I'm scared.
Just a tip. Wait. Look, right there.
I feel like I'm violating the juice.
That's what he says. Oh, wait. I'm sorry, y'all.
What? Oh. All right. Well, what we're gonna do is we'll just leave a little room
Pour a
and
little
add
pineapple juice in
some
there now.
pineapple. Oh, or that.
Just a little bit, and then maybe we top it off a little bit more. Right there.
Listen, you do what you got to. Make sure your pitcher is big enough. We thought we had solved this problem, and yet we did not. Good job. Okay. It's. Yeah. Well. All right.
I peed myself.
That is what it looks like, though. Well, it is pink. I
There's enough
can't.
pineapple under the sea.
The bigger the better.
The bigger, the better. I mean, technically. Wait, what are we talking about? What are we talking about here?
What are we talking about? Anywho, okay, let's taste this.
Well, wait, before we do that.
Oh, fair.
There we
Okay, there we go. Yay.
This is going to be a sleeper. It's pretty much tropical juice, a Capri Sun.
It's a Capri Sun.
Regardless if we didn't put the pineapple, it's a sleeper. It's probably not going to help because of the fact that this is coconut rum.
That's what they told us to get.
This is dangerous. Yeah, it's a sleeper. It's refreshing.
Facts.
It's juice with
It's-
rum.
It's alcoholic juice.
But it's refreshing. I'm gonna give this. I don't know. Like I feel like I'm gonna just give this an 8. A 7.5, 8.
Okay.
Because it's not bad,
Right.
but I don't want to just taste juice.
I don't know.
But it's refreshing. I can drink this with my meal instead of spitting on it.
Okay. Well, okay. So for the most part, I agree with you. You know, some people might say, well, you said that the bourbon sweet tea was refreshing and it wasn't super strong in alcohol. Yeah, but that was like, it was like a quench your thirst, but like, I know that eventually I'm gonna get lit if I have enough of these.
Who doesn't like a spiked tea?
No, yeah. It's just, you know, I think what it is that it's giving basic.
It is.
And and cranberry juice is basic. So I don't really
I've never
know,
found a great cranberry juice
like
cocktail.
yeah. So I mean, I think it's you know, I'm gonna give this like a 7.5. It's definitely better than that last one. I'm gonna tell you that. But it's just kind of like, it's just blah. I think that's really kind of like
it
the
needs
assessment.
a little something spicy.
Yeah, like, so it's maybe it's too much juice. Maybe it's too much juices to the coconut rum ratio.
Pedialyte.
Yeah,
Pedialyte.
it's just giving
Electrolytes.
all the lights.
All the lights.
All of the lights. It's just giving basic. I think that's the only way that I can really phrase it. Again, it tastes pretty good. You could certainly drink it with your meal, okay, and that's lovely. But it's also kind of boring. And if you are okay with that's fine.
Some of y'all are childish anyway.
There's that. Damn.
I'm just saying.
Did you have somebody in mind?
I know people that are childish. Won't say no names.
Okay. All right.
For business purposes. Yeah, but y'all know who y'all are. Childish.
Golly. So anyways,
Yeah, this is basic.
it's basic. But again,
Even though it's sweet tea, it's tea.
I don't know, it just tastes more refined though. I don't know.
Yeah, it was more a little refined.
It was more what?
It was refined.
Yeah. All right, listen. That's our opinion. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell. Listen, if this is like you taste this and you're like, this is delicious, I don't know what they're talking about. Again, this is our opinion, okay? There's nothing wrong if you love this. If you want an elevated Capri Sun, baby, go ahead. This is you. This is your lane.
Or a Pedialyte. One of them.
Whatever.
Whatever.
You know?
If you like it, I love it for you.
Exactly.
For me, I'm just gonna give this an 8. I can drink this, but it's just like, why am I drinking this?
Yeah. So anywho,
I digress. But also be careful if you drink this because it's got rum in it.
it's got rum, so it will sneak up on you. Even if there is, there's still 2 cups of, it's still, 2 cups of coconut rum in there. So it's still enough to kind of give you a buzz.
It'll sneak up on you like a sneaky link. You know what I'm saying? Anyway,
my gosh.
but yeah.
So what do you think? Is this pussy pink or whatever, sexy red color?
If your shit looks like that, go to the emergency room ASAP because either something up there is diabolical.
Oh, gleam diabolical.
Because it's really not demure.
Oh no.
But yeah, that's not pink. That is a cry for help.
So, yeah, make sure, ladies, you make that annual gynecology appointment. Health first.
Transfusion or something.
Oh my God.
But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. Try this Pink-a-Colada.
We'll write the name down.
Bibbly
We'll write the name
mutual
down.
bibbly. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all.
We'll be back.